Alright, traders, what's going on? Welcome to today's trading recap. Today is Friday. Happy Friday to all you guys and gals out there. What a week it's been. I honestly believe that this trading week that we just wrapped up is going to go down in history as one of the best trading weeks ever, especially on the NASDAQ. Alright, and in just a few seconds, I'm going to come back and show you why I thought this was a really nice setup here on today's NASDAQ charts, and I think you're going to glean a lot of value from trying to find this new and interesting setup here on the master indicator. But first, here's what I want to do. What I want to do is I want to show you the NASDAQ daily chart on the master volume indicator. All right. I mean, isn't this stunning? Actually, isn't this shocking? And if you don't believe this is a daily chart, just look at the x-axis, all right? I've taken this all the way back through, it looks like early February, okay? And this is being printed through right now, okay? And what jumps out at you from looking at this NASDAQ daily chart, right? Well, take a look at March 15th of earlier this year. It's about four months ago, right? This was the turning point on the NASDAQ. March 15th, 2023 is going to go down in history as the starting point of one of the greatest trends in history. Okay? And looking at this chart, man, I'll tell you the truth, looking at this chart gives me goosebumps. And I'll tell you why. Number one, it just simply proves and validates my thesis that nothing is going to stop a trend. For all of you, counter trend traders and people that have just been getting beaten up this year, right? You've just been getting destroyed trying to counter trend trade the market. I hope that when you see this chart of the NASDAQ daily, I hope it'll give you an aha type moment, right? Where the light bulb goes off in your brain, and from this point on, you make a conscious decision to never trade against the trend. When it's green, you're either long or you're out. You are never trying to short it, right? So yeah, this was the turning point, man. It just, God, this is such a thing of absolute beauty, And of course, you guys can already spot what I'm going to say next. Retracement number one. Right? The first opportunity, if you were looking to take a long-term trade on the NASDAQ, your first opportunity came on March 29th. And then your second handful of opportunities came in mid-April. And if you missed either of these two opportunities, okay, then once again, you missed the biggest trend move in history. Like, I've never seen this. I've never seen a market be up like 30-40% in just a couple of months with respect to an index, right? So please, for all you guys and gals out there who are trying to make some moves in the second half of this year, then all I can tell you is always respect what the master indicator is telling you. It don't lie, right? When it's green, it tells you that there's a higher probability than not of the market going up. That's it. And how you play it is up to you, right? Because you already know how I play it, and I like to jump on these retracements. But at the end of the day, this information, the color change, right, means something. Now let's get back to today's intraday chart. You know that on Fridays, I try to wrap up my trading by 11:45 or 12, and I spotted this really nice setup here. Now, why is this a nice setup here? All right, well, two reasons. Number one, I was waiting for the NASDAQ to take a breather. I mean, this market's been on a tear, right? In fact, let me show you the morning session. Look at this move in the morning. Jesus, right? This thing's been on fire. It's been unstoppable. And so I was tempted to try to find areas and locations in the NAS where the market was going to pull back. But I wanted to look for a very specific setup because I've been watching this and I wanted to share this with you guys as well. And so here's the setup. Whenever you see the master indicator, which is this green and red volume color band, all right, whenever you see it change colors and the color change happens on a reversal bar, man, this is some powerful confluence, okay? Because normally when you get a color change, it happens on a regular sized bar. not a reversal bar. You understand? Like when I say regular bar, I mean like one of these. Like this is a regular or normal red bar. But this one here, where the arrow is a reversal bar. And what's significant about this reversal bar is that the volume indicator also changed on that bar. You follow? That's what makes this a really nice setup, and that's why I jumped on this quick short. Now, full disclosure, whenever I have a fantastic trading week, and this week definitely was one for the record books like it was for me and a lot of my customers and clients, all right? When I have a strong week, I generally don't really trade on Fridays because I don't want to give back any gains, but today I was really tempted to trade the NASDAQ. I just couldn't help myself, and I feel that it paid off really nicely because I know what I'm doing. And that's the value of having this volume indicator, right? Because there's no way I would have gone short if this thing had not turned red, right? There's just no way. And I probably wouldn't have gone short anyway if I hadn't seen this statistically significant bar here, where the color of the master indicator changed on a reversal bar, meaning that the arrow shows up on a reversal bar and not a regular bar. So once again, congrats to all of my people who had a fantastic week, especially if you're new to trading my master indicator, aka the vol. This thing was on fire this week. And one more thing, I've received so much amazing feedback and comments. I'm going to try to start doing some live webinars at least once a week for the rest of the year. They're probably going to be on Fridays. We might start doing them maybe Friday of next week and onwards. And I'm only doing this because all of my clients and customers are straight up killing it. What I want to do is start building a nice little community. You could say maybe an army of day traders where we all try to collaborate each and every day with one specific goal in mind, and that is to use this master indicator, aka the vol, to crush it every single day. Guys, that'll do it for this video. If you'd like to get your hands on this powerful volume indicator, then get in touch, call, text, email, whatever's convenient, and I'd be happy to hook you up with a free one-on-one demo, really show you how this volume indicator is going to supercharge your trading. Guys, thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next trade.